now on this wonderful Wednesday evening. Gosh, this week is just flying by. Next thing you know, we're going to be dealing with some really, really cold air. An Arctic blast is heading our way. Some of the coldest air we've seen since 2021 of February. After that event, it warmed up quite quickly. This might actually, rival that of 2021. We'll have to wait and see as we get through it, because sometimes it gets a little muddled picture, I guess you could say, as we head into the middle of next week. But my point being is we are going to enter a very cold stretch of weather here in Northeast Oklahoma. And I appreciate you all hitting that like button and watching, saying hello as well. Enter your comments that you're watching. Appreciate that. That's just the way the social media game works, right? It's social. We need to be chatting with each other. But here we are on this Wednesday night. We're already tracking our next chance for snow. Then we're tracking for more snow on Sunday, and then just bitter cold temperatures where we could be below zero, where we get a wind chills at 10 to 20 degrees below zero. Batten down the hatchet. It is going to get cold across the area. All right, so thanks for saying hello. I appreciate that. Let's go ahead and show you. This is Thursday night. Here comes our next system. As we head into Friday morning, we're going to see a band of some light snow develop across the area. And this particular model, it does bring it into the Tulsa, Bartlesville, Pryor, Muskogee, and McAllister areas. I want to emphasize that not all computer models are on board with this. And I also want to emphasize that Friday morning looks pretty low event. However, travel problems could be expected. This isn't a bread and milk emergency for Friday morning. I want to emphasize that. Will there be school closings? It's a possibility, but again, this is a low end, on the lower end of the spectrum event. I think Sunday, that's where we ramp it up a notch or two. And that's when we're going to be watching for the potential for more significant winter weather come Sunday. And so we're going to talk about that here in just a few minutes. Matter of fact, latest data is coming in on Sunday, and I'll share that with you here in just a few minutes. Either way, it is going to be cold. All right, so this is Friday morning, about an inch possible. That lifts out by 8 a.m. So you see the timeline there. Between about 3 to 5 a.m., we have a chance for some snow. And then that moves out. So by 8 a.m., we are dry, temperatures warm to around 30 degrees. Saturday morning, we're back in the teens for lows. Saturday afternoon, we are struggling in the 20s for highs on Saturday. And then as we head into Sunday morning, we're generally in the single digits. Sunday afternoon, we try to warm to about 12 degrees, but then here comes some snow during the Sunday afternoon, early evening time frame. And that snowfall will be very dry, a very dry snow across the area. There'll be a blustery snow as well with strong northwest winds. And we could see the possibility for single-digit temperatures. You can see by Sunday at 10 o'clock, potentially below zero by Monday morning. Those are air temperatures. Those are not wind chills. And while that does look to be impressive snowfall, that's not really heavy snow. That's more just a widespread light snow across the area. And so that is expected across the area on Sunday. I'm going to show you the amounts that we could see. And then that moves out Monday, and then Monday afternoon we could see some snow flurries move back in. So on Sunday, the heaviest snowfall totals will be during the day or late afternoon into the early evening hours, the way it appears right now. Here's what we're expecting for snowfall totals. See, on Friday morning, light accumulations from Tulsa to the east. Then let's jump into Sunday. And you can see Sunday, by lunchtime, we're starting to see some accumulations. And then by Sunday evening, as it wraps up, we're looking at, and again, this is being bullish. I want to say this. It's trying to spin out 3 to 5 inches of snowfall across the area. I'm generally in my forecast going 1 to 3 inches. And I want you to hear that. Right now, I'm still only going 1 to 3 inches for Sunday. Could we see some higher amounts? Absolutely. But right now, I think it's wise to just go 1 to 3. And let's get a little closer because their data's kind of stunk on totals. And it is a dry snow as well. So that very well could have an impact. But either way, we will be seeing some snow on Sunday. And then that moves out. It's the cold temperatures that are really going to be the headline as well. I mean, look at these highs in the 20s. Even next Wednesdays, we try to climb back to freezing or close to freezing. Temperatures in the 30s. I'll go ahead and show you the 10-day forecast today. Still expecting below normal or below zero temperatures for Monday morning and Tuesday morning. And then we very well could see a few more snow showers come Thursday or Friday of next week. Whew. So it is going to be a wild 10 days here in eastern Oklahoma. Tomorrow, 60 degrees or near 60. I'd say get out, and if you can, enjoy it. Get your shopping done, because after that, it's just going to be cold. Little travel issues Friday morning, more widespread travel issues Sunday afternoon. I was telling my kids today, I know they're off for Martin Luther King Jr. Day Monday, but very well could be off Tuesday as well, as we start with potentially very dangerous cold temperatures Tuesday morning. So there might be an extended weekend coming ahead for the kids in school. All right, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. You all are too kind to me, and it means a lot. Thank you so much for always being supportive. I will be forever thankful. Thank you, and have a great night. Stay safe. We'll be back tomorrow night with another weather update. All right, stay safe. Good night. God bless.